us. We are evil aliens. I laugh at your stupidity. The only way to get out of here is to help us attack Springfield. Aim your craft at your fellow humans. You'll like it. We do. Let your spaceship do the work.
Howdy, kid!
Put your tentacles into it.
You stink.
Which end is... My mother has very good aim. Slap the smiles off their faces. They're humans, not trying to move people. Humans rule, aliens rule, and rule. Next time, let your dog try. Avoid their puny defenses. Their heads will adorn my library bubble.
That's nothing.
Well, that was fun, at least for me. The only being whose fun having I'm concerned with. Any fun you may have had was completely accidental and should be forgotten.